Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver WorkForce Pro, and your type the driver download. Please wait and search the official website. I'm like the download this official website. The official website not a virus driver, and official website first download. This here official website, click here. Okay, scroll down again. It is here the title driver or software. So driver or software for your product. You click button download, click here, and please wait loading again. Scroll down. This here the you select the system operation. Click here, and this here the system operation for Android OS and Chrome OS and iOS, and for system operation for Linux. This here the driver Epson Mac 12 and driver Epson Mac 11, and this here the Windows driver Epson Windows 8, driver Epson Windows 11, and driver Epson Windows 7, driver Epson Windows 9, and driver Epson Windows Server, and driver Epson Windows Vista and Windows XP. This video I am need download driver Epson Windows 11, new Windows. Click here, click the select the Windows 11. Click here, and this one. Okay, this here the Windows 11. This driver you might driver this here the driver print only. This here the support for Wi-Fi, and driver scan only, and support for Wi-Fi side, and this here the driver pack for user interface, and driver universal print. This here the you're looking release update, get a release, and this here the release update. Okay, okay, I'm recommended for you this here download universal print driver. This here recommended I am for you your download driver, and this here the post print free and post print free again, Blue Angel. And this here they recommended for you. Click here and click button go. I click button download. Click button download. This one driver download. Click button download. Okay. This here the driver download. And if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put USB cable printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, you take the USB cable printer, and you please write the finish driver download, and you click run as driver, and driver is like automatic for the printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video for support my channel. Thank you guys.